Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use a whiteboard using canva.com. First things first, you're going to go ahead and type in canva.com. You're going to log in into your account or create one if you already don't have one. After that, you're going to go and press on this whiteboard tab, and here you can see some whiteboard templates that you can actually use for free. I'm going to just choose this template, and you can just actually go and move around all these sections. You can actually edit them if you wish to, and yeah, you can edit the colors, you can edit anything, and I think it's pretty useful for schools, for students especially. So I wouldn't let this slip out of my hand if I were you. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys, and see you in the next one.